Hi guys, welcome to your tutorial for Best Friend. This song is so much fun. So it is really only two sections throughout the whole song that repeat back and forth. So once you get those two sections ingrained, then you add the flavor and make it your own. Okay, so I will break it down for you and then we'll add music and we'll pick it up. So the best friend is simply, that's the chorus part, is simply 4 pulls to start. So take the hands out of it and just start with the foot tap in. That's it right there. And you're going to finish in an open position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And see how your arms just sort of like walking go naturally back and forth. So that same motion is what applies here. So you can kind of pull across low until you get comfortable with reaching it up higher. All right. So you're my best friend. Da, 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 da. So there's 4 of those. Then you pause, lean down on your knee, stick out that cheek and give me a little pop, pop. Now, the booty pop is going to use some muscles going up your side and your back. So you have to think about lifting. See, it's a little booty lift using your back. Yeah. Okay. So you just pop it in whatever way you want. Don't think too much about that. From there, you can either just do a tap in, that's always an option, or a crossover jack. Now, when we cross over, think about those inner thighs right there. My sound effects, sucking in, landing out. That's what that is. Then we go into the other side. Same concept. She twerks it, da-da-da, something like that. All right? So pull, 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 pop, 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 jack, 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 pop, 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 pop. Good? All right. That's the whole first section. After we finish that, we go into a slide to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add in some upper arms, reaching the opposite way that you're sliding. Then we're going to build up to extended arms, side, and overhead. After that, this is where you can sort of take the basic step and play with it. Well, you can do that with all of them, but this one's a really fun part to do that with. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. And then back into that slide step. So 1, 2, you can roll it up. 1, 2, roll it up. Or maybe you want to open it out a little bit, bring it up to the side. 1, 2, bring it up to the side. Or 1, 2, drop squat. Watch your knees. Careful on that one. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. That's it. And then it repeats throughout. So let's try it to music.
That my best friend, she a real bad got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend, she a real bad drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Beep, beep. Is that my bestie in a testy? Fresh blowout, skin on town, she ready. Look good with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time, now my muff friend. She been down since the jellies and the bobos. Now me stepping out the Jeep and my nut lows. When we pull up to the scene, they be still with jealous. Rich ass boys when I just end up because.
All right. How's that feeling so far? Good? Should we add a little more flavor? All right, let's try it one more time. Just a couple rounds. Won't go through the whole song. But this time, add just a little bit more. Get a little funky, a little attitude. Get yourself a hat. Makes a big difference. All right, let's try this one more time.
That my best friend, she a real bad got her own money. She don't need no on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend, she a real bad drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, fresh blowout, skin on town, she ready. Look good with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time, now my mother friend. She been down since the jellies and the bobos. Now me stepping out the Jeep and my nullos. When we pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a T like, guess what? All the rich ass boys wanna on us. I just end up, it could look, don't touch. And I'm back busting bands every time we link up.
That my best friend.
Awesome job. Have fun with it. As always, never stress over the moves. Just have fun. All right? Go get them.